top, number 18. No good. Again. Number 18 plus 2. Number 22. Again. Yes. Number 88, 2 points.
Defense!
Yellow team. Number 4, Spurs 6, holding the ball. 10, cut. Miss. Sebastian. Pasko sa hapon. Line off. Yellow ball.
Ball line. Ball line. Line ball.
Number 17, in the line of territory, but he missed. 46 attempts. No good once again. Sebastian, but yes, this one.
Yankees on the strike for the first 2 points. No serving.
Go! 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 Ganda po! Go! 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 Go!
Another try.
Ay, wala
No
dito.
to the end. Tama to the final. One by yellow team. Number 46, Roldan looking for the open Kumora. Inside. Block. Withdraw. Going past play to back. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Wala din magsunod.
Photo in favor of green. The Thunder Dragons.
Load. Wala gid.
Number 46. Mora again. Turnover. Now halfway. This man. Pakita mo yung lahat ng hikaw. Baka tayo ma-aksidente. So yun na lang, mga hikaw, saka yung... Sige, nakatayo mo tayo. Baka mahigol pa kayo dyan, saka sinsay. Pakitanggal, baka maka-aksidente kayo ng mga player.
Yung mga hikaw at walang hikaw. Hikawan na kayo.
Last time out by Wasu.
Ay ka muna, wala kang kasabay. Wala ba? Oh my God, Toy Takwa. Nalumin pinsan di pinag-inis dyan kusina. Kamangan pa. Nakasukat mo.
Okay, ready? With 12 minutes and 37 seconds remaining in the first half. Battle between Wasu and Pampanga Dragons. 6-2, favor of Yellow Wall. Favor of the Dragons. Mora receives the ball back to Roldan. Roldan looking for the opening inside to the
Run!
Roldan again, out of 2. Starting the ball, going to the inside, looking for the opening to pass. Back frequency. No, block. Start again. Back, inside. Animation call. Violation. 12 minutes and 12 seconds remaining of first half. Well done. Tingin possible play. Decide to go Tonyo. Pass. Rebound again on the inside. Block. Block. 1 and 2. Pass. 2 points. 8-4 in favor of Green. 11 minutes 42 seconds in the first half. Mora for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points for Mora. What a nice shot. Start again. Looking at Phoenix. Giving the ball. Inside the bar. That pass. Hey. 11 minutes 19 seconds in the first half. With 8-6 in favor of Green team. Mora looking for his teammate. 46. 46 drive. Back to the corner. Inside. Back. Right again. Number 6-6 out. Number 1.
David!
Substitution left. 6-6 foul. 10 minutes 51 seconds. Well done. Well done now. Back for the ball. Yes, for 2 points. Back. Long and bounding ball back. Well done, giving the ball. Well done now. Long for 7. Well done. Pass to Mora. 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 Tumira. Wala. Oops, there's a whistle. But
Laban na, laban. Gua na.
bowling stun. Stun now, with the ball. Stun. Last 9 minutes, 50 seconds. Stun, pass to back. Into Moses. First ball. What, number 8. Lagcheka. Dalawang pagputos ko ni Kumus. Ang unang pagputos ko. Wala. Anthony, pass to Kumus. Kumus, pass to Stan. Stan natin! Wala na tayo pwede. Gulpena, gulpena. Para sa Kumus. Pass to Mora. Mora. Ginamagaan, pass to Gorgonio. Gorgonio. Kumus. There's a whistle. First ball.